Really, princess? Okay, well, princess is here too. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. So I feel actually really, I feel like I always say this, but I feel really weird sitting here talking like this because I feel like now my videos are mostly just like vlogs, you know. But anyways, for today's video, I'm gonna be doing an updated everyday makeup routine. Just because I did change it a little bit. I changed my eyebrows, like how I do them and stuff. Right now I'm just tweezing them because I have a little bit of like hairs that are like crazy. But yeah, this is what today's video is gonna be. If you guys want to see a video on my eyebrows just like alone, I'm not gonna be doing them here because it's like it takes too long, and plus I already did a stub, so like yeah. So let me go ahead and like do my eyebrows, and then I'll be back like after to start everything else. So yeah. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm back. Why did I just see a kid running around from house to house? I don't know. But anyway, so I'm back with my monstrosities. I feel like they look so fluffy and big right now that I'm like, but don't worry, it comes together. But anyways, okay, so I already have my eye area concealed and set, ready for eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I've been doing kind of like the same thing as always. I've just been going, oh, they're trick-or-treating. Why didn't I think of that? Okay, anyways, I've been doing the same thing, just a little bit darker since like winter, fall, you know, the vibes. So, I'm gonna go into Puree in the Sweet Peach Too Faced palette and just put that on my crease. I haven't been dragging it out all the way though. I've been literally leaving it right here, and like that's been like shaping my eye a little bit like how I want it, kind of like more like winged out. I can't believe I'm actually doing a somewhat makeup video. I have not done this in so long. I literally have been feeling like shit for like the last few weeks. I have no idea why. I've just been in like a funky mood, you know. But today, actually no, not today, a few days ago, I decided that I was gonna get back at it because I always get on my game and then I kind of like slip, and then I get like do a comeback. This is my comeback. I mean, in a few days I'll probably feel like shit again, but I mean, that's everyone every day, I think. So yeah. But okay, so now that my eyeshadow is like this, I'm gonna go in with Charmed. I'm sure the darkest matte brown on the palette. Just gonna like do a little like winged line. Okay, so now that we have this, let me start with actually my lashes, because I think today I'm gonna go with Saucy. I'm feeling a little bit more nicer today. I like to curl my lashes before I put them on, just because I feel like when they're on they don't really curl as good as like when they're off. So let me go ahead and curl them. Let me go ahead and curl my lashes and do all of that off camera because you guys already know, like always, I drag doing that. So yeah, I'll be back. A little TikTok transition. Okay, my camera was literally about to fall. Anyways, I have my lashes on now. Yes. Okay, and now time to color up this ugly ass fucking masking. So a few days ago I bought this foundation just because the other ones I feel like they weren't really my color. So I went ahead and bought the L'Oreal Infallible foundation because this is like, come on, everyone freaking knows how good this freaking foundation is. So is it gonna focus or? And bitch, there we go. Anyways, yeah, this foundation, you guys know what foundation I'm talking about, but this foundation is so good. I saw this girl on TikTok say that it wasn't a good foundation, and I was like, wait, no. Oh my god, I almost forgot. And I also went ahead and bought the Luminous Putty Primer from e.l.f. because everyone always says that this primer is like bomb. So I honestly did not read how to use it. I kind of just put it on with my finger. Tried to like press it in my skin, like melt it in, you know, so my pores can actually get covered, filled, because my pores right here, like on my cheeks, they're so bad. Plus, since it's winter, I got the luminous one because my skin tends to get a little bit drier, but like, not like that, but it does get a little bit drier. So I'm planning to go to Target later to get some Christmas decorations because our tree freaking needs it, our house needs it. And since Halloween is pretty much gone already, like by October, it's time for Christmas. Thanksgiving, yeah, but like, I mean, Thanksgiving is not really like that. I want to decorate for Christmas, you know? Plus, everyone knows when you're like on that Thanksgiving like dinner, everyone has their tree up already, so it is pretty much all for Christmas. I was so scared to use this because, oh my god, I can literally see people. They're looking at me. Oh, wow. What was I gonna say? Anyways, oh, and that I was scared. I was so scared because in the packaging, okay, when I saw it, like when I bought it at Walmart, I was like, okay, like I have to remember to read the packaging before I use it because I don't want to like use it wrong and all this. And I come home, I open it up, and I totally forget that I have to read the fucking instructions. So I kind of just went for it. But I mean, either way, I'm like, why is it getting darker? But anyway, I still like tried it, like how I assumed every other primer like goes, like just kind of like press it in so it fills up your pores. And it was fine. Like I like how it looks. It literally makes my skin look dewier. So I don't know if I've talked about it on my blogs, but I've really been wanting to go get my like lip injections. Just because I assume like I've always wanted to try them, and like I kept looking like places up. I kept looking places up like near here that were like good rated, top rated, and some popped up, and I want to go try like even like maybe a consultation just to see how I feel. But I'm scared because like it's like if I go and I don't like it, is it gonna focus? Anyways, if I go and I don't like it, I have to deal with it for whatever months until like it's gone, you know? And even sometimes like some girls say that like, it doesn't completely dissolve, like you get like little bumps, so you have to go back. And I don't know, it's a lot to think about. It's something like right like on my face. The only good thing would be that COVID is going on. I mean, not good thing, but like the only good thing is that we're wearing masks, so you wouldn't be able to see it. But I mean, I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I think I'm just gonna keep looking around and maybe even like make a couple consultations here and there just to actually like talk to people and actually see if I like them or not. So yeah, that might be coming. Like I said, I was like in such a bad like little, what do you call it, like mood, I guess you could say. I just wasn't in the right place. Like, you know how like at least I've always seen like YouTubers be like, oh, I wasn't feeling the moment and I'm not gonna film if I'm not feeling it. Now I get it. Because like anyone would be like, oh, just film, and I'm like, I don't feel like filming if like I don't feel like I'm not gonna film if I don't feel like filming, because like obviously you're gonna be able to tell that my mood is like off and like all that. I feel like I've been doing this like a get ready with me, but I mean this is Tarte Shape Tape Concealer like always. I've just been trying to use a little bit less because I feel like I was going too in and it was like you can just see really white under my eyes and I don't like that. Everyone has been asking me like what kind of music I'm into now, and I'm just like, to be honest, like I used to listen to a lot of different music, but lately I've only been listening to like Bad Bunny or like Jay Cortez and like things like that. Oh my god. So they dropped the song Dakiti. I'm pretty sure it's called Dakiti, I think. Anyways, it's so, oh my god. Like when I saw that they announced it, I was like, oh, it's probably gonna be one of those lame songs that they always release. But bitch, that song is so good. It's just like, oh, well, at least I think it's really good. I literally totally forgot that I was filming. Anyways, the blush is literally the blush that I always have on. I haven't finished it. Thank God I haven't finished it because I literally love this blush so much. I just feel like it's like my perfect color. I've been only using a little bit of highlight. I feel like a little bit goes a long way now. I don't know. Now we have to do our bottom lash line. You cannot forget the bottom lash line. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with Puree. Okay, bottom lash line is done. I keep thinking like, what else am I forgetting? Oh, I've been using, if I find it, okay, I've been using white liner on my bottom waterline because, I mean, come on. We all know about white liner. White liner just like makes everything better, you know? If you use white liner, you know what I mean. Okay, now we're gonna do our lip combo, which I updated it because I bought some new lipstick. I think it is, yeah, it is on. Right? How big this mug is. Bitch. So I still use the same little pen. I tried to buy another one, but turns out, oh wait. Turns out it's a little bit darker than this one. I mean, not darker, it's lighter than this one. It's more pink, so I'm not using it. So I literally bought it for nothing, but okay, let's just get started. Outline lips, overline lips. Okay, now we go in with Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink and 55 Driver. So this is like a perfect nude. I just hate how like, it's not as matte and, oh my god, my camera's dying. It's not as matte and as like opaque, I guess you could say. Anyways, let me turn off my camera and then finish this and then I'll be back to finish my video, cause yeah. Okay guys, well, let me do this fast before my camera starts dying again. But anyways, this is the completed look. Okay, I feel like you guys can't even see. This is it. It's so cute. Oh my god, my camera's dying. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up with me. I honestly love, I don't know why I even stopped making makeup videos, but I'll try to do it more often. Anyways, I really hope to see you guys on my next video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, comment, and keep watching it. Keep watching my videos. So yeah, love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.